Hi, third grade. Here is your answer key for your line and angle slides. Starting with our line vocabulary, a line is made up of points and it continues forever in two opposite directions. A line segment is part of a line that has two endpoints. A point is an exact location in space. It makes up a line. A ray is part of a line and it has one endpoint and it continues forever in the other direction. Looking here with our labels, this is a line because it goes on forever and ever, shown by the arrows. This is a ray because it has one endpoint and an arrow showing that this side will go on forever and ever. Again, another line and another ray. And then the line segment has 2 points at the end, so it's a section of a line. When drawing your own lines, you can use any of the tools up at the top of your bar. I wanted my line to have 2 arrows at the end, so I actually went up to Shapes, Arrows, and then I chose this that has 2 arrows on the right on both sides. Okay, and that shows that the line is going on and on forever. When I created my ray, I actually clicked on the arrow tool. I created my arrow, and then for my dots, what I did is I came to Shapes and I created a little circle and I made it black. And if you look up here, you can change the colors, you can change the thickness, things like that. And for my line segment, I made just a line and added 2 dots at the end. Okay, looking at our angles, our vocabulary, an angle is 2 rays with a vertex. A vertex is where the 2 edges meet. And so for our next 2 slides, we're just going to talk about how many angles are on each shape. Looking here at the polygon, which we're going to talk about next week, there are 9 angles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This pentagon has 5 angles, and this quadrilateral or rectangle has 4. On our last slide, we have a trapezoid that has 4 angles, a triangle that has 3, and then we have a hexagon that has 6. Make sure that you're checking that you did the work correctly.